Question is from test series 4, subject signals and system, topic frequency response of the LTI system, and the question is asked for 2 marks. Question is, a causal LTI system with frequency response h of omega is described by the input output equation, that is y of n is equal to x of n plus a times x of n minus 1 plus b times x of n minus 2 plus c times x of n minus 3. Then determine the values of ABC so that the frequency response of the system h of omega is equal to 1 minus 0.5 e raised to minus j2 omega cos of omega. So what we have is, from y of n, if we take the Fourier transform, what we get is y of omega would be equal to x of omega plus a times e raised to minus j omega x of omega plus b times e raised to minus 2 j2 omega x of omega, again plus c times e raised to minus j3 omega x of omega. Now this is same thing as writing x of omega common, and over here 1 plus a e raised to minus j omega plus b e raised to minus j2 omega plus c e raised to minus j3 omega, like this. So we have h of omega to be equal to y of omega divided by x of omega. So which is nothing but it is equal to 1 plus, if I am taking e raised to minus j2 omega outside, then what we have is a times e raised to j omega plus b plus c times e raised to minus j omega. Now we know that e raised to j omega plus c e raised to minus j omega. Now since we want this factor of cos, so if we are equating this, what we have is 1 minus 0.5, so that is nothing but 1 by 2 e raised to minus j twice omega cos of omega. Now if we rewrite this would be 1 minus e raised to minus j2 omega times 1 by 4, this cos omega would be e raised to j omega minus 1 by 4 e raised to minus j omega. Fine. So if we compare this, the coefficients are minus 1 by 4, 0 and 1 by 4. Sorry, here we should have a plus sign. So minus 1 by 4, 0 and minus 1 by 4, that is nothing but option B. Thank you.